In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ecosia to Chrome. If you want to make Ecosia your search engine in Google Chrome, the process is very quick and easy. Ecosia is a search engine that uses its profits to help fund tree planting and climate projects, so installing it is a simple way to change how you search while also supporting an environmental mission. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the browser where you want Ecosia installed, since the extension will be added directly to that copy of Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions can be found and installed, so it's the safest and most direct way to get Ecosia set up properly. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type in Ecosia. When the results appear, look for the extension called Ecosia, the search engine that plants trees. Be sure to select the correct listing so you install the official extension. After opening the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation window so you can review what's being added. To continue, click Add Extension. This confirms the installation and allows Chrome to place the Ecosia extension into your browser. Once the installation is complete, Ecosia will automatically set itself as your search engine and customize your new tab page. That means when you search directly from Chrome's address bar, your searches will go through Ecosia, and opening a new tab will show the Ecosia-powered page instead of the standard Chrome one. This is useful because it creates a more seamless experience. You won't need to visit the Ecosia website manually each time you want to search. Everything works directly inside Chrome, which makes it convenient for everyday use. As a quick tip, after installation, try doing a search from Chrome's address bar to make sure everything is working correctly. In some cases, Chrome may ask whether you want to keep Ecosia as your default search engine. If that message appears, select Keep Changes so Ecosia stays active as your default. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can add Ecosia to Chrome in just a few moments and start using a search engine that also supports environmental projects in the background.